Guys, good morning. Here's my pot of soup, making a lamb soup. So it's just a bit of water in there and a lamb. And I'm gonna start cooking it. Guys, I'm gonna add the onions in our soup. Ginger and garlic. And let it cook together with our meat. Okay. Let's keep it cooked, guys. Guys, here's our pork belly. I'm gonna just salt it and put it in the oven. First, heaps of salt. The skin, just on the skin. And rub it in, guys. Get a knife and score it. Just been using my knife. Be back, guys. Somebody use my knife, guys. Oh, this knife special for my cooking. I don't like using on anything else. Because people don't know how to use knives. You see, there's all going the wrong way. That's why I put salt on it first. Okay, to rub it in. Make sure the skin is salty. Guys, got our herbs. Just on this side. This one. So it's a garlic. Open up this son of a bitch. A little bit of salt. I've got onions here, guys. And put this one in it. Should have it there. Yeah, try to level the skin. Then a more splash of salt. Some garlic. Now, add a cup of water or two on the bottom and then put it in the oven. Cook it on high heat and put it on top shelf until the skin is brown, golden brown, and then turn it down. For an hour on top, another hour on low. Guys, got a bit of carrot for soup. Beautiful Sunday morning, making a quick Sunday lunch. You know, I think I'm pretty ahead of my time. So Now I'm going to take my time and slow it down. There guys. I like using those little small carrots. They're full of flavors. I bought the bones for the soup. I really thought it was big bones because they're hiding at the back. So I said I'll have 2 kilos. And I realized they're only small little bones with crystal in the middle of it. So other than that, doesn't matter. I'll cook it. I'll make it yummy. Always check your meat before you buy them. Don't really trust the workers. Yeah, they don't mean to do it. They just whatever. Whatever. I think I'm nuts because I just wake up early in the morning. I'm gonna cut all this, guys. Guys, silly me. Here I am. I'm thinking it's lamb. It's actually beef. It looks like lamb. Now those bones, there's crystals in it. Oh well, my bad. Gonna cook it down and until it's half cooked or nearly cooked or cooked, and then add our carrot. Let's go get our taro. Got a kalo, guys. I'm gonna just boil this kalo with a bit of 1 lemon and where you go? And some garlic. We're staying away from coconut cream now for a while and fatty food. Just trying to stay healthy through the winter because it's so easy to put on weight in the winter, you know. It's cold and eat fatty food. So, a little fat, stay healthy and stay strong. Gonna do it, guys. It's cooking beautifully, guys. Oh, strong smell of that ginger in there. Just gonna cut our taro around. Well, easy to cook. Excuse me. Just stay on this thing. Get a dry spot. Just get it out. Want your taro cook quicker? Cut it small. Part of the taro is dry. Guys, boil the water, put some lemon in it, or salt if you want, and garlic, and cook the taro together. Gonna add our carrot into our soup. Our beef is half cooked, or it's cooked, but by the time the carrot cook, our beef will cook at the same time. It tasted beautiful. It just tastes the best. Okay, let's go and boil our taro. Let's get some celery. stop that. Here's celery. We're adding it in our soup. I'm gonna just bring this to the boil. And turn it off. Once it comes to the boil, I turn it off because I've got a water crisp cabbage to go in there. Beautiful soup, guys. Tastes good, colorful, and delicious. Yes, it's boil again. Now I'm gonna turn it off. And just before we go, I heat it up again and put the water crisp. Because the water crisp, we don't need to cook it. Some garlic. I'm doing this and I'm watching my cats eating. Because the other ones always try to take over the rest of the food. And just cook it, guys. Just cook. Guys, our pork is coming around good. I'm going to try not to burn it the other side. You keep turning it around and around. Guys, our tara's done. No coconut cream. Keep it like this. Healthy. Oops. Guys, we're heating up our soup again. Now, we've got the cabbage here. Here's the water-pressed cabbage. And you don't have to cook this cabbage. It's just beautiful. To just bring it to the boil and turn it off. Gonna stir it up. It's done, guys. Got to turn it off, put a lid on it, and warm it up before we eat it. Turn it off now. Beautiful beef soup. Guys, I bought a fish. I had two fish. I decided to just cook one. I'm gonna cut it in half. Easier almost to eat. Get rid of the tail. And I'm just gonna put lard and a bit of butter so it doesn't burn. In here, I clean this back and I've got plain flour, garlic powder, all the herbs in there. I'm going to just shake off the sugar. Put that salt in there too. And it's going to be delicious. Delicious. Yeah. Push up the extra flour. There's our fish. Have to wait now for the butter to put in now. Just get a clean bag to do this, guys. So you can get a bag from a shop. Waiting for all the water to evaporate. Let's cook that for a while, guys. Guys, took it out of the heat because it's too hot. So let it cool down a bit and then put it back on. Okay. The stove's on really loud, but maybe I'll turn the other one. Yeah. This one, too hot. Okay. Let it cook slowly because this fish is thick. The meat is very thick. Guys, this fish cooking nicely, but I'm gonna make sure it's ready cooked. Just gonna add some spring onion on the banana leaves. Just a bit of salt. Yeah. Oh, of course the banana leaf has to be ripped. Yeah. I'm gonna put it in the foil. And put this in the oven. I'm gonna do the other one. Just put it in the oven so it's very moist. So a bit of flavors, guys. Spring onions. That way when you open it up, it's nice and moist. Bit of salt. Remember the fish already salt. Yeah. It's like a little present. But keep it when you open. Look, it's popping out on the other side. Put another foil. And open it. Like a little cake from the oven. You know, guys, put it in the oven under the bulkhead, the bulk belly. Guys, I bought some pippies for Mom to eat it raw, and I'm trying my best to keep them alive. I'm soaking in water with a little tiny bit of salt. What is it? No, see, some are open, so those ones can't be in. They're already dead.